Hello everyone. In the current world, data is everything. With proper data, we can analyze and conclude various kind of things. Okay, so what is this data kind of thing? So we have to collect data. Okay, we have to collect data. We have to analyze it, and we have to conclude something. Okay, with these three things, we are done. So this is the basic idea of how we are dealing with probability and statistics. Okay, so let's have a look into some example. So first example is there are four persons, person 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, what they are doing is they are drinking tap water. So the first person is not drinking tap water but drinking purified water, and his salary or her salary is 1 lakh. Okay, similarly you can read the data of person 2, 3 and 4. So what are the conclusions that you can draw from here? The person who are earning more than 50k, okay, more than 50k are more likely to drink purified water, right? And the person who are earning 10,000 or so or less, okay, they are drinking tap water always and are not drinking purified water. And it is also likely for people who are drinking both tap water and purified water even though their salary is 50k. Okay, with this data this kind of thing can be concluded. Okay, it might not be true, but if you are having a huge data set, like we have a data set of 4 people here, suppose we have data set of say 1000 people, and from that data we saw that people earning more than 1 lakh are always drinking purified water. Okay, from that data we can conclude that everyone who is earning more than 1 lakh is definitely drinking the purified water. Okay, this is the thing that can be concluded with this larger number of data set. For these purposes we are studying statistics and probability to conclude something from a given data, right? So before going to start the course, let me tell you certain kind of things that you must have observed till now. We will be having a set S, we call it sample space. Okay, and then we are having a small set inside the sample space. Okay, we'll call it event. Okay, we'll call it event. So this pen is not working properly, so this pen event. Okay, we're going to discuss these things. Okay, sample space and event. Sample space is the whole space. You have to be clear about some basic set theory notions so that you can do well here. Okay, the whole set is called sample space. This is nothing but the universal set what you read in your set theory. So we are doing nothing but doing a set Venn diagram, right? So we will be having a set, we will be having a subset that we are calling event set. Okay, and what are these things that we will discuss in the subsequent lectures. Thank you.